Hey there, having trouble with Cash App? Is your licensing scan not working? In this guide, I'll walk you through how to fix Cash App licensing scan not work, ensuring you can seamlessly manage your transactions without it. Stick around to learn effective steps and tips to resolve this issue and keep your app running smooth. Step 1. Check for app update. First things first, make sure that your Cash App is up to date. App developers frequently release updates to fix bugs, enhance security, and improve functionality. Head over to the App Store or Google Play Store and check for any available updates for Cash App. If there's an update, install it and try using the licensing scan feature again. Having the latest version often resolves unexpected issues and ensures optimal performance. Step 2. Verify device compatibility. Another common reason for Cash App licensing scan issues is device compatibility. Make sure your smartphone or device meets the app's system requirement. Cash App typically requires a certain version of iOS or Android function correctly. Check your device's operating system version under Settings and update it if necessary. Sometimes, simply ensuring your device is compatible fix the problem and restore the scan feature. Step 3. Clear cache and data. If updating doesn't solve the issue, clearing cache and data might do the trick. Over time, excessive cache data can cause apps like Cash App to malfunction. To clear cache and data, go to your phone's settings, find Apps or Application Manager, locate Cash App, and then select Clear Cache and Clear Data. This will reset the app and often resolves quirky behavior. Just remember to log back in afterward. Step 4. Check internet connection. Cash App licensing scans rely on a solid internet connection to work properly. Make sure your phone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network or has a good mobile data signal. Slow or unsteady connections can prompt problems during the scanning process. Try switching to a different network or restarting your router if you suspect the internet connection might be the issue. A reliable connection can often make a tremendous difference. Step 5. Restart your device. Sometimes the simplest solutions are the most effective. Restarting your device can refresh its system processes and can often solve minor software glitches affecting app performance. Hold down your phone's power button, select Restart, and wait for your device to reboot. Once it's back on, open Cash App and check if the licensing scan feature is working correctly. Step 6. Reinstall Cash App. If all else fails, reinstalling Cash App might be your best bet. Uninstall the app from your device first, which can remove corrupt files or settings. Then head back to the App Store or Google Play Store. Download and install Cash App again. This fresh installation can resolve persistent issues, including any glitches with the licensing scan. So there you have it. Several tried and true methods for tackling the pesky licensing scan issue on Cash App. Whether it's updating the app, checking for device compatibility, clearing cache and data, ensuring a stable internet connection, restarting your device, or reinstalling the app, each step is aimed at getting you back to managing your finances seamlessly. Remember, technology isn't perfect, but with these troubleshooting tips, you're well equipped to handle any hitches with ease. Enjoy smooth and hassle-free transactions with Cash App and take control of your financial experiences.